Brand new.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, so let's just jump right into the video. Today I'm going to be installing these Knotless Passion Twists in the color TP1B/27 in 18-inch length from Bobbi Boss Hair. There are 20 passion twists in each pack, and they're very lightweight and bouncy. Alright, so I've already moisturized her hair and detangled and blown it out off camera. And I'm going to be using a zigzag braid pattern. It's going to be zigzag parts, but the braids are going to be going straight back. So this is going to give the illusion that she has individual twists in her hair. And all the products I'm using are going to be listed in my description box below if you're interested. Now, if you've been subscribed to my channel, you'll know I used this braid pattern before. I got this zigzag parted crochet braid pattern from Beauty Can Braid. I like using this braid pattern when I have a smaller type crochet hair, you know. So I ended up doing 13 of those zigzag parted braids in the front, and in the back I did 9 straight back cornrow braids. And now I'm just using some Sheisbombcollection edge control and bomb glue gel to lay her edges before I start the actual crocheting. Okay, so now to install the Knotless Passion Twist 18-inch TP1B/27 color. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you, these twists were a little bit difficult to like catch the loop, but as I went on, like it got easier. I'm just like basically just crocheting the hair on and knotting it one time. And I believe I used about 6.5 packs to do her hair, and it was a very full install. So I love the fact that these are so lightweight because it wasn't heavy at all. It was very bouncy, very cute, but y'all gonna see later on towards the end of the video what it was looking like in the end. Okay, so now let's talk about this color. Now, that's the one thing that really popped out to me. I wish the 27 and the 1B hair was blended a little bit more, but it was really cute. Once I installed the whole thing on her, it was really cute. So y'all gonna get to see that. Just chill, just watch it, just keep watching until the ending of the video. And I believe we used a total of 6.5 packs of hair. And you can see that I'm crocheting them in pretty close together. So it's a very full install, and the hair was super lightweight, super bouncy. It didn't have any odor, any smell or anything. Wow. And you can see the color, once it started like getting installed, the color of the twist really like looks cute, because the 1B looked like her natural hair, as if she had did passion twist with just 27 color hair. So it ended out really cute. I don't know if I explained that right, but it ended out really cute. I like the fact that these twists were so fluffy and lightweight because I was able to install a lot of them, and I didn't use all 8 packs. I used 6.5 packs. More hair information and the link to purchase and all the products that I use are in the description box below if you're interested. So go ahead and check that out. And I'm gonna just be quiet for, you know, the next couple of minutes of this video and let you enjoy. I'll be back towards the ending. Alright, now I'm finally done installing these Knotless Passion Twist 18-inch color TP1B/27 from Bobbi Boss Hair. And they're looking so cute. So I don't know if you could get what I mean about the color. You see how the 1B stops right there? It looks like that was just her natural hair twisted down with some 27 colored passion twist hair. So that's why I was saying, like, in the pack the color looks kind of weird, but once it gets installed it's really cute. And you see how full it is. You can't see any of her braids. I only use 6.5 packs. I will have the price for this hair listed in my description box below as well if you're interested. I went ahead and tried to cut some layers in the hair because I was thinking like maybe that can like make it look a little bit more natural or something. I don't know. But after I started cutting, I realized how much I'm gonna have to cut. I was like, nah, that's cute just like how it is. I went ahead and added some mousse, some foam I mean, and you know, it was done. Very quick, very easy install. Once I got the hang of grabbing the loop, like as I got further along with the hairstyle, it was easier for me to grab the loop to be able to crochet it on. I ain't gonna lie, when it first started it was a little bit difficult, but it was worth it because she loved it. I loved it. Big shout out to Bobbi Boss for reaching out to me, and a big shout out to you and you and you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love y'all so much. Shake your hair, Sky. And turn.